हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वाट रिएक्शन को प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन चल रही है. लेट्स स्टार्ट द एग्जांपल नंबर 4. एग्जांपल नंबर 4. if we will have the molecule like this one is chlorine, this one is chlorine. If we treat this molecule by sodium in dry ether medium, what will happen? Of course, free radicals will be formed, or it can be written by carbanion mechanism, as we know from our earlier classes. This one is dot, this one is dot. This free radical will be formed, and this free radical on dimerization will produce this bicyclic compound. Can you write the name of the bicyclic compound? Definitely 4 carbon over there. The name of the compound definitely bicyclo. This is bicyclo. How many carbons over there? 1, 1 and 0. This is bicyclo 1, 1, 0. 4 carbons over there, so it is butane. बाइसाइक्लो 110 ब्यूटेन. आगे बढ़ते हैं, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल को देख लेते हैं. एग्जांपल नंबर 5. इफ we will have this type of substrate, then what will happen? If we treat this molecule by sodium in dry ether medium, there will be 2 things are possible, because we know this carbon bromine bond here, it is your carbon bromine bond, and here of course this one is carbon chlorine bond. So we know carbon is second period element, chlorine is third period element, and bromine is fourth period element. So the bond between carbon and bromine is definitely weaker than the bond between carbon and chlorine. So this bond पहले टूट जाएगा to form the free radical like this. Now 2 things can be possible from here. If a carbanion is formed from here, now 2 things can be happen from here. If sodium donate another electron over there, it will produce the carbanion Cl, and this carbanion, this negative charge will attack here, and Cl minus will be leave the substrate. So we will get again the bicyclic compound. And another thing is possible there. There is a possibility of dimerization of this free radical. Dimerization of this free radical. On dimerization of this free radical, we will get the product like this. This one is Cl. If we dimerize with another cyclobutane free radical, we'll get this product. Now probably this one is the major product, but this one will produce with some extent, definitely. Probably this one is the major product, because this is intramolecular reaction and this one is intermolecular dimerization. So probably this one is the major product and this one is the minor, but 2 products will be obtained definitely from here. Next example पे चलते हैं. Now problem number 6. If we have the substrate like this, of course on treating with this molecule by sodium in dry ether medium, we will get this product definitely. No further explanation chahiye, definitely. Two free radicals will be formed there, and on dimerization this will produce this molecule. Definitely this one is bicyclic compound. The name of the compound is bicyclo. This is our bicyclo. 2 carbons over there, 2 carbons over there. These two are bridgehead carbons. So this one is 2 2 0, 6 carbon over there hexane. Okay. Next example. Two interesting examples देख लेते हैं. Example number 7. If we have a vicinal dihalide like this. This is 1,2-dichlorocyclobutane. 1,2-dichlorocyclobutane on reaction with sodium and dryether. Can you imagine what product will be obtained? This is very interesting. Okay. First step, sodium donate electron over there and another electron over there. So this one will be a carbon ion and Cl minus will here. So what will happen? There will be an elimination reaction. Cl minus will be released. So a cyclobutene will be formed. तुम्हें क्या सोच रहे हो? This is the final product. Is it? It is not, because this is cyclobutene. Look at here, this carbon is sp2 hybridized, this one is sp2 hybridized. We know sp2 hybridized होने के लिए it will have the angle of 120 degree, but the internal angle here is only 90 degree. So there is huge angle strain. So this angle strain को release करने के लिए this molecule dimerize हो जाएगा. Look at here. There are crores of thousands of molecules over there. So these two molecules will be dimerizes like this one and this one. So this bond टूट जाएगा, इसको 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इस पे जाएगा, इसको this bond को another electron go over there and 1 electron will go here and 1 electron from here. So this molecule will participate in dimerization reaction. This is dimerization. Now what will happen? What is our final product? Very interestingly, our final product is the molecule like this. Can you imagine this product from here? Of course, this is your final product. Now we can compare this example with some similar type of example. Next example, number 8, similar to example number 7. If we have this type of substrate, then what will happen? If we treat this molecule by sodium dryether, treat this molecule by sodium in dryether medium, we will get, the carbon ion, this Cl, this minus will form the double bond here and Cl minus will be released. So our product is nothing but cyclohexene. Do you think this one will dimerize? No, sir. Because here there will huge angle strain, but there is no angle strain almost. Cyclohexene is a very stable molecule. So this will be our final product. So compare this two reaction. If this one is cyclobutane ring, this one cyclobutane will be dimerizes to form this sort of product. When this is cyclohexane, this will produce the cyclohexene molecule on elimination reaction. So these two are very interesting examples. Next example number 9. If we will have the molecule like this one is bromine, this one is bromine. So all of these are actually vicinal dihalides. Number 7, number 8, number 9, the substrates are common. These are vicinal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides. These are vicinal dihalides. Vicinal is a Latin word. So this is vicinal dihalides. If we treat this molecule by sodium diether, what will happen? The same sort of product will be obtained. The carbon will be formed here and this will form the double bond, Br- will be released. So our product will be nothing but this one. Next example पे देखो. Example number 10. If we will have the substrate like this, if we treat this molecule by sodium in dry ether medium, then what will happen? Free radical will be formed here, here, here and here. This two will be dimerizes and this two will be dimerizes. So our product will be nothing but this one. This is a spiro compound, definitely. So the name of the compound is spiro, definitely 2,2. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons over there. So this is your pentane. Next example number 11. This one is bromine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If there is one methyl over there, so what will happen when this molecule is treated by sodium in dry ether medium? These two will form the free radicals, or this one will form the carbanion, will attack here, Cl- will be released. So what will happen? This is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 5 carbon will be combined up. So to form a 5-membered ring, this one is 5-membered ring. So this is your carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Methyl is at position number 2, so this is your methyl and this is your product. Cyclopentane ring will be formed. Next example number 12. Example number 12, if we will have the molecule like this, one bromine over there and another bromine over here. If we treat this molecule by sodium dry ether, what will happen? Two free radicals will be formed here, and these two will combine up. So we will get the product like this. Sorry. This bond is the newly formed bond, this one. So this type of molecule will be formed. Next, example number 13. If we have the molecule like this, here is your chlorine, here is your bromine. If we treat this molecule by sodium in dry ether medium, of course this bond will be formed. So there will be a very interesting molecule. Do you know the name of the compound? The name of the compound is cyclocubene. This is cyclocubene. This is cube like, so it is your cubene molecule. So this is Wurtz reaction, part number 2. We will come back with the part 3 of the problem solution series of Wurtz reaction. Thanks for watching the video.